How to fix Instagram could not load activity error on iPhone. Let's get started. Open your settings. Open the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Click on Forget this network and then rejoin it. In the case you are using cellular data, head back. Open the option Mobile Service. Click on Mobile Data Options. Open the option Voice and Data. Check in for the option 4G or 5G. Also, what you can do is switch your network. If you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi, and in the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data. After you apply this process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this, open your App Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your Instagram app to its latest version. Updating might also fix your problem. Heading towards next solution, close this, open your settings, scroll down, open the option General. Open the option iPhone storage. Now find the app Instagram. Once you find it, open it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Offloading app clears all the cache of the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is uninstall your Instagram app and reinstall it. For that, long press on your Instagram app. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Once you delete the app, open your App Store, search for the app Instagram and download it. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix Instagram could not load activity error on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.